Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DNR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up here above $4.55. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.55, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on their end. Taking a step back, looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. You know, however you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, staying above 455 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers were hanging out at, pretty straightforward. That's going to be right up there at about $4.85. Yeah, I realize the price technically did go up above there, but there's other instances where the price didn't quite hit it. So I'm just kind of trying to split the difference there and call it $4.85. And I was hesitating, should I even talk about levels of resistance? Because in this situation, they really don't matter. What do I mean by don't matter? Well, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, and what has it been doing? It's been building these higher bases. You picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to progress in the upwards direction, then the chart will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and enjoy the trend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.